Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I will give you the demonstration about the process of online practical submission for your 5th semester and the academic year 2020-21. This is the process of online practical submission for your 5th semester. At the beginning, you can open your web browser. In the URL section, you have to enter www.google.com. After visiting the Google web page, you need to click on the Google Apps, which is present at top right corner of this Google page. After clicking on this Google Apps, you can find here Google Drive. You can click on this Google Drive. Before signing into your Google Drive, at the beginning, you need to enter your Gmail username and password. After entering the credentials, you will get sign in into your Google Drive. Then top left corner, you will find new button. You will have to click on this new button and you can select folder option. Here you will have to create new folder. For example, I will give the folder name as practical submission 5th semester 2020-21. Then you can click on the create button. After clicking on create button, you will find your practical submission folder. Then you can open that folder. In this practical submission folder, you will have to create another 4 different folder according to your practical subjects. For example, right now I am in the practical submission folder. Again, I will right click in this folder. Then I need to click on new folder, and here I will mention first practical subject name. For example, my first practical subject name is C#. Here I have mentioned C# as a practical subject name. Then I will click on the create button. In this way I have created the C# practical subjects folder. Likewise, I will have to create another practical subjects folder. I will simply right click, then I will click on the new folder. I need to enter subject name. For example, subject name is PHP1. Then I will click on the create button. Here you can find PHP1 practical subjects folder has been created. Then again I will right click on the new folder. I need to enter subject name. For example, subject name is data warehouse. Then I will click on the create button, and at last I will right click, I will create new folder. I will enter practical subject name DCN and I will click on the create button. Here I have created 4 different practical subjects folder. Then in the respective practical subjects folder, I need to create assignment folder. For example, I will click on the C# folder. Now I am in the C# practical subjects folder. Here I will right click, I will click on the new folder. This time I will enter folder name as assignment number 1, and here I will click on the create button. In the assignment number 1, I need to right click, and this time I will click on upload files. In the upload files, you will have to upload your practical written image files. It has been expected that all the students have written their respective practical assignments on the given subject's record book. They might have captured the images of the respective assignment. Students simply need to upload all the image files for the respective assignment. After selecting the image files, student can click on the open button, and thereafter all the images of respective assignment will get uploaded in the given assignment folder. Again, here I can click on the C# button. This is for assignment number 1. Again, I will right click, then I will click on the new folder. This time I will give this folder name as assignment number 2, and I will simply click on the create button. Again, I will click on the assignment number 2. I will right click and I will select upload files. Then I will have to upload all the image files of my assignment number 2 in this folder. Remember students, you will have to create as much folders according to your assignment number of the respective subjects. For example, for the practical examination for the subject C#, if your faculty have conducted 13th assignment, then you need to create 13th assignment folders like assignment number 1, assignment number 2, assignment number 3 up to assignment number 14, and in the respective assignment number you will have to upload the images of the given assignment. Then you can re-click on this practical submission. Then you can select another practical subject name. You can right click on the new folder. You will have to mention here assignment number 1. After creating the assignment folder in the given practical subject folder, you need to click on the respective assignment folder, and you can upload the given images of the assignment that you have written in your record book. After entering all the practical images, you can click on this practical submission folder, which is your main folder. Here you will find get link option. Above this get link there is a share option. You can click on the share button. At the below you will find one note: restricted, only people added can open with this link. And below this note you can find a blue link: change to anyone with the link. You need to click on this change to anyone with the link. You will receive one notification that permission updated. Now you can find one message: anyone on the internet with this link can view this folder. It means that anyone in the web browser or anyone user in the internet is able to click on this link and view your assignments. Thereafter you need to click on this copy link button. Your link will get copied. Then you can click on the done button, and you have to share this copied link in your Google Classroom so that your respective faculty will be able to view your copied link. Faculty will simply click on your updated link and faculty will be able to view your practical subjects folder and your assignments. This is all about your online practical submission for the 5th semester and academic year 2020-21. Thank you so much students for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can drop your question into the comment box. If you have really liked this video, then click on the thumbs up button. Share this video with as much student as possible so that everyone will get knowledge about the online practical submission. Thank you so much student for watching this video. Have a great time ahead.